Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to set Snapchat on dark mode. So without getting delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Snapchat. Make sure you have already downloaded Snapchat on your device. Tap on it and now you can see profile picture on your top left corner. Tap on it to navigate you to the profile page. So here you can see setting icon on top right corner. Tap on it. Now scroll down until you find app appearance. So here it is, click on it and now it is on light mode. To make it dark mode, tap on always dark. So in this way you can change Snapchat into dark mode. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.